urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, southern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Stark County in northeastern Ohio, until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ravenna, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Youngstown, Warren, Salem, Ravenna, Columbiana, Boardman, Alliance, Niles, Campbell, Hubbard, Canfield, Cortland, Newton Falls, Sebring, Lordstown, Vienna Center, Levicksburg, Hilltop, Maplewood Park, and Austin Town. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has
I did
been
not know
issued
this
until
channel relayed
2:15 p.m.
SVRs.
Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning, Portage, Stark, and Trumbull.
Wow, I did not know that.